Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to update or add an article in Google Scholar. Keeping our publications up to date makes sure our research profile is accurate and easy for others to find. We will walk you through each step, from adding new articles to editing existing ones. Let's get started. On the Google Scholar dashboard, click Add an Article. First, we need to click on My Profile. From here, click the plus button to add an article. We will select the articles we want to add. Just choose them from the list, then check the box once we are happy with our selection. The article is now added. We can click the plus button again, then go to Configure Article and Updates to update the article details. Here, Google Scholar will automatically update the list based on our settings. We can adjust those update settings as needed. As we can see, the profile has been updated with our article. We have successfully updated or added an article in Google Scholar. Our research profile now reflects our latest work and contributions.